Howdy, this is Lemmy with Dorman Products, here to talk to you today about our new heater core bypass kit. You should be checking one of these out if your leaking heater core has made your car inoperable. You should also be thinking about tossing one of these into your vehicle or mobile toolbox if you've got an older vehicle or one with an aging heater core. This kit definitely qualifies, it's cheap insurance. Pick one up before you need it. So let's talk a little bit about exactly what the heater core bypass kit does. A leak anywhere in your cooling system is no bueno. You'll lose your coolant. And if your core has gone bad inside your vehicle, that sweet maple syrup smell gets old pretty quick. Your heater core basically functions as a teeny tiny little radiator, but instead of cooling the antifreeze, that heat is blown into the car to keep your tootsies warm in the colder months. Much like a radiator, pressure and acid can eventually cause your heater core to fail. You'll usually notice antifreeze loss, and you'll often smell the leak. Now, the by-the-book repair here is a replacement heater core, of course, but that's a foul lot of good when your truck's on the side of the road spraying coolant into the shoulder. Due to access issues, swapping a heater core roadside isn't always a great option. Some of those can take a few hours and a painful amount of disassembly. Enter the core bypass kit. So the first thing you need to know is that this is meant as a temporary repair because you will lose your heater and your defroster, which are required for vehicle inspection in some areas. Now, this repair could, in theory, last the remainder of the life of the vehicle. It would likely be perfect for an old farm truck or maybe a beater mud vehicle. Installation on these is generally pretty easy. First, it's absolutely critical that the car be cooled off. The system is under pressure, and if you release it, you're going to have boiling fluid spraying everywhere under high pressure. If you're in doubt, let the car sit and wait. Now, while the heater core itself, which you can see here, may be buried in your car, usually the inlet and the outlet are somewhat accessible under the hood on most vehicles. The coolant comes in, circulates back and forth within the core, and then exits. All you're doing is taking the core out of the system and looping the inlet to the outlet using the heater core bypass kit. Top up the coolant, burp your cooling system, you're back on the road. Now, the kits include fittings for 3/4 inch systems or 5/8 or a mix of the two, which should cover nearly every single vehicle on the road. Also, they're held in place by OE-style constant tension clamps. This is a wonderful solution that really should have a home in every road toolbox or aging vehicle just in case. And if you forget to buy one, you can now get one of ours most places you buy auto parts and get back on the road right quick. We hope you like this new solution, and remember, if you need anything at all, the Dorman technical support team is always handy to help. Thanks for checking out our video on this heater core bypass kit. I'm Lem, I'm out of here.